I've actually known Tom Mayer since I was a kid.
Yeah.
My mom's been working for this organization for 19 years.
Isn't this a cool
Yeah.
truck?
She's in sales. She sells cars. She's at Nissan right now. Yeah, so I've known Tom Mayer.
Whoa, that's fast.
And oh no way.
He's funny. He's a funny guy.
He's a cool guy, huh? He'll stop by every once in a while because the business, his son-in-law,
Yeah, son-in-law.
Derek, he's actually there right now. LTZ?
Good.
LTZ is
Oh.
better. Right?
Yeah, it's higher package.
So, but the one below this is the LT, right?
Yeah, so the LT, you're gonna get the chrome bumpers. That's gonna be the main thing. You're gonna get the chrome bumpers in the front and the back. Yeah, we're going this way. Chrome bumpers in the front and the back. On the RST, RST stands for
Look at
Rally
that
Sport Truck.
display.
So you're gonna be getting the front
Yeah,
bumpers
awesome.
and the back bumpers painted, matching the rest of the truck.
And then it has the
I
two
don't like
chargers.
the custom
Mm-hmm.
or the custom Trail Boss or any of that stuff. This one's probably a little bit of a splurge.
And then there's also some up there so I can make videos.
Yeah,
on the
it also
car.
comes with the Apple CarPlay and
So,
Android
yeah.
Auto. So whatever phone you have, anytime you want to hook it up, cloth or leather on the LTs. RSTs usually come with the leather seats.
So the RST is just like a little sportier, right?
Yeah, sportier look to it. Pretty much like that.
That's a huge look. What do you guys think? Should we buy 3 of them?
Yeah.
No,
No.
that'd be a lot of money.
Where would we park them?
Look at that porch tree out there. It's all Well, now we're back. Checking it out. Looking at the cars. Oh, look at that sick Camaro though. That's nice. So yeah. See you next time and bye.